In this session, I will explain the links group related options available in the Insert tab. See, very first one, link option is there. In these three options, I am clicking on link. This link option enables you to link with other files which are already existed in your computer. So, first we have to look in the documents or where your files stored. Suppose whether your files are in C drive or D drive somewhere else. Generally your document files will be in documents folder. So, in that I want to place a link to MS Office PDF. So, PDF version of MS Office, that is one. So, I can also change the text to display. So, this is the link for MS Office PDF. Like this, I can give the text to display in our document. So, finally, say OK. Here, a new link created. If you move the mouse over the link, automatically see it is giving a message, click Ctrl plus click to follow the link. So, that means you have to press Ctrl button on keyboard, CTRL button, and then use mouse button. See, there the mouse icon also changed to hand symbol. Now you can click. So, automatically the PDF version of your document, the selected document, not only for this document, you can create links for any other file. For example, here I am going to create a link to another file, Excel file. So, create link. So, see where the Excel files are. Suppose EMP1 XLX file is there, that is Excel file. So, you can change the text to display or otherwise you can leave it as it is. Finally, you say OK. See, this is the link. Control and click on that particular file. Immediately, it will opens the Excel, and in Excel you will get employees details. So, like this you can link to any other file. You can link to other MS Word file or a PDF file or Excel file, whatever it is. Suppose I can link like suppose I am having one video here. I can also link to videos or any other notepad files, anything. Suppose this is the video link, MP4 link, I am clicking on OK. Now, go through the mouse over this link and control click. Immediately, it will opens the corresponding player. It is trying to open the corresponding player. If the player is available, it will place, yes, it is playing in the CTE. This CTE file is playing in the VLC player. Okay, like this we can use any file, any type of file as a link in our current document. That is the purpose of links. If you don't want the link, just simply select the link and delete, and select the link and delete. Like that you can remove the links also. Okay. Next, bookmark is there. The purpose of bookmark is we can move through the document using marks. So, for that what you have to do, you have to select particular text in your document. For example, I am selecting collaboration. Okay, for this you will create a bookmark. So you can say, suppose COLLA, you need not to type the same name. Just I am giving the short name to that one and say add. Okay. And for that tables, I am going to add one more bookmark. That is, I am giving tab, add. So, like that, you can bookmark your required data or required document content. Suppose I am selecting this one and I can say bookmark something end, like that. So, what are the important areas you are having in your document? Those important text or document content you can mark with bookmarks. Later, in any time, you can go through the bookmarks, you can jump to the area. Suppose if you click on collab and go to, directly it will reaches the particular area where you need to view. And suppose end, go to, it will goes to end of the document what I selected, and tab, go to, and collab, go to. Like that you can move through the areas, different areas in the document. Suppose tab, it is going to locate the tables area. So like that. If you don't want these marks, means anytime you can select that particular bookmark name and say delete. You can add them, you can delete them, and using the bookmarks you can navigate between the document pages. Okay. So like that I can make marks, bookmarks to reach any part of your document easily. That is the purpose of bookmarks. And cross reference is there. This is also one type of, another type of link that will gives you a link belongs to the different parts of the text, different part of the document, like this. For example, but you must have the reference type here. Suppose heading, it is not showing any heading here. It has to show headings. Why? Because this is the title, this is not heading. If you want to make this as heading, for example, I am selecting this one. We have option styles in home tab. Suppose I am making this as heading 1 and I am going to making this as heading 2. Now we can apply headings related information through cross reference. So now I will go to heading, insert and cross reference. See, two types of headings we are having. So what you want to insert here, that is it is asking heading text, and like the means that is the text of the heading, and you can select this text and say insert. So the text alone inserted, and like that you can repeat that one. Otherwise heading, you can insert the heading related page number where the heading is. Heading, page number, insert. It is on page number 1. Okay, we are in page number 1. So the heading also in page number 1. So like that. And heading numbers also. Heading article 1, that is the heading number. Like that we can trace the heading related information. And if you want, for example, suppose numbered item is there. So, what are the items you are having related to numbers? So, you can select, suppose for which numbered item. Suppose I am selecting this page layout and insert page number. Where it is? It is in the page number 1 only. For example, I am going to down. I am selecting this particular text. Now, if you insert page number means, see, it is giving 3. Why? Because this particular text is in third page. You can view. It is in the third page. Okay. So, you can cross check out the different areas of the document and you can insert relevant information to your document. And here in numbered item, we have other sections like paragraph number. Suppose which paragraph number you want. Suppose this 6. It is giving 6. And where your cursor is, there the information, relevant information you can insert. And paragraph text also, suppose this text I selected, if you want to insert the text, insert. That particular text related information inserted in your document. So, that is why this is cross reference, referring your document throughout the document and cross checking each and every item of your document and inserting the relevant information in your document. So, that is the purpose of cross reference. Okay.